Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to look at this little jade tree, and I think we're going to put it in a new pot. You can see here's the name of it. It's just it's not a Portulacaria, it's just a crassula, but still looks kind of cool. Looks like a little tree. So it's been growing in this nursery container for a good year, I think, or more since I bought it. But we're going to try to get it in a nicer container. I like the shape of it. Don't intend to let this get a whole lot bigger, but we'll see, what happens. But it doesn't seem like it's growing very fast. I've been growing this one indoors under grow lights, and I just don't think they grow as fast as they do when they get natural sunlight. But anyway, we're going to get it out of this container. It looks like some of the roots are growing through the bottom, and we will get it in a new container. So first, let's go ahead and try to get it out of the pot here. Came out pretty easy. See if we can loosen some of this soil. It's in this kind of a heavy peat mix or something. It's just really spongy, and it's good for fine root development, but I just hate working with it because the roots always get wound up in it. But anyway, it is what it is. Like I said, I'm just going to try to tease some of these out. I'm surprised it's been growing as well as it has in this kind of soil. Should have repotted it a long time ago, but you know how things go. It just sits on the bench, and you got other things to work on, and trying to unearth some of the trunk here to see what kind of root base we've got, see if we've got any flare that we can expose. Looks like there's a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna look pretty nice. Get a little bit of it exposed anyway. Yeah, I've got some of these roots that are circled around here. I think it's going to be happier getting out of this soil. That's probably enough. least get it started here anyway. Just trying to look and see what the best front would be. Go ahead and get this tray out of the way. And here's the pot that I think I'm going to put it in. Trying to, let's see, I'm kind of liking that right there. Got this back branch back there, and this one is going, and we can kind of offset it just like that. I think it would look pretty good just sitting like that. Yeah, I think we'll do something like that. So you set it aside here and get the pot ready. Got a couple large drain holes and then a couple tie-in holes here, so you get some mesh cut to cover up the holes. I don't think I'm going to worry about covering up the small holes. I think they're small enough to where my soil won't get down in there. And all I use is this plastic window screen you pick up at a big box store or whatever. It's just really inexpensive, and it seems to work just fine. So yeah, I'll lay it down like that, and I think I will cut a little piece of wire and tie this tree in just so it's stable. Just kind of loosely measure and cut a piece of wire that's going to fit here. Go ahead and run that up through these bottom holes. And then let's go ahead and get a little soil in there. Just using my normal mix, which is expanded shale, calcium clay, and a little bit of compost. Seems to work out pretty well for just about all my trees. Let's see, what were we looking at? I think this is the front. Yep. Get it nestled in here. Just kind of twisting it down into the soil and get it down to the right level. Test it from front to back, side to side. I've got it offset to the left just a little bit, which I think will work out great. Just trying to look at it here from the front. I think that's going to work. So let's go ahead and get it tied in. That's pretty good. off the excess. And go ahead and fill up the rest with soil. Kind of tamp it down here to nestle it in around. I think I might top dress this one with maybe some really small grain akadama or something, just to, because I like the different blue. The leaves of this kind of have a bluish green tint, and the pot's blue. So I think the kind of the yellow or tan color of the akadama might be a nice complement and offset the tree and the pot. It doesn't look bad the way it is, but maybe look a little bit better with the akadama. We'll see here. Looks pretty good. A little bit more soil. That looks good there. Let's see if we can get a little akadama on here. Just kind of sprinkle some of this on the top. Just kind of dress it up a little bit. Spilled some. I dressed up my little table and my floor and everything else, but there, I think that looks pretty good. Almost makes it looks like it's growing in the desert now. Yeah, I think that's going to do it. That looks really good. I don't think I want to do any pruning today. I probably could bring this back branch in a little bit, but I think I'll just let it get settled in and then come back and give it a prune sometime here in the future. So yeah, I think that's gonna just about do it. So let me give you a quick spin around. There's the front. There's the left side. There's the back. right side, and back to the front. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.